Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to talk about one of the ways you can do some fundamental analysis and determine the value of a stock price. Is it overvalued? Is it undervalued? And that is book value per share. So pretty much how you calculate book value per share, you take the shareholders' equity, you subtract the preferred equity, and then you divide that by the average number of common shares. So let's just say that you've got $20 million worth of stockholders' equity. So that's this first piece here. And then let's say you've got $5 million worth of preferred stock. That's this piece right here. And then you've got 5 million shares outstanding. That is the piece right here. So if you plug all those numbers in here, you would get $20 million minus $5 million and then divide that by 5 million shares outstanding. And there's your 15 million divided by 5 million, and that would give you a book value per share of $3. So that is one way to kind of determine if this stock is overvalued or undervalued. Now, sometimes you'll see stocks that have very low book value per share, but have very high market prices. And one of the ones that comes to mind immediately is like Tesla and Amazon. Those things trade way, way over their book value per share. So just because something has a $3 book value per share doesn't mean that the current market price is going to be anywhere around that. But for a lot of stocks, it does. But then you have like Amazon and Tesla, which are like extremely forward looking and have a lot of intangible value. I mean, people are willing to pay insane amounts of money for things like Amazon and Tesla. And then when you actually look at their book value per share, the price is nowhere near it. But with some other stocks, you will see like, a stock might have a $3 book value per share and it might be trading at like $1 or $2. So you can definitely see something like that is undervalued for sure. As long as there's nothing crazy going on, like, they're going to go bankrupt or there's some really negative news that would really affect the share price. You could look at something that's trading for like $1 or $2, run this formula and say, hey, this thing is actually worth $3. I think this is actually a good buy. So it's definitely one of the ways you can do fundamental analysis, and you might be able to spot a good deal out there in the market. So if you thought any of the information here in this video was useful, please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.